I forgot my umbrella.
Are you ready, Amber? We should leave now. We don't want to be late. Yes, Lily, I am almost ready. Let me wear my shoes first. It will only take a minute. Take your time, but not too much time. The bus will not wait for us. Don't worry, Lily. I am ready now. Let's go. Wait a second. Did you lock the front door? Yes, I locked it. I even checked it twice. That's good. I always forget to check the door. That's why I checked it for both of us. Thank you, Amber. Let's start walking. The weather feels nice today. It is not too hot. Yes, there is a cool breeze. It feels very pleasant. Look at the sky. What about it? The clouds are getting darker. You're right. I think it might rain soon. I hope not. We have a long walk to the bus stop. Did you bring your umbrella? Of course I did. Really? Wait, what happened? Oh no. Don't tell me. I forgot my umbrella. Are you serious? Yes, I left it near the front door. I asked you before we left. I know. I thought I picked it up, but you didn't. I was thinking about something else. What were you thinking about? I was thinking about today's meeting. You were so busy thinking that you forgot your umbrella. I guess so. Should we go back? I don't know. If we go back, we might miss the bus. That's true. If we don't go back, we might get wet. That is also true. This is a difficult choice. I have an idea. Tell me, you have an umbrella? Yes, we can share it. It is not very big. It is better than nothing. You're right. I promise I won't forget it next time. You said the same thing last month, did I? Yes, you forgot your water bottle that day. Oh, yes. Then you forgot your lunch. That happened only once. And last week you forgot your notebook. Okay, I understand. You forget many things. My memory needs a holiday. I think your memory is already on holiday. Very funny. Thank you. I really try to remember everything. I know, but sometimes my mind is too busy. Then make a checklist. A checklist? Yes. Phone, wallet, keys, umbrella. That sounds like a good idea. It helps me every day. I should start doing that. It will save you a lot of trouble. You're probably right. Look, what happened? The wind is getting stronger, and the clouds look even darker. I think the rain is coming. Please don't say that. Why not? Because I forgot my umbrella. Too late. I felt one drop. Me too. Was that rain? I think so. Oh no. Open the umbrella quickly. Good idea. Come closer. There isn't much space. We'll have to walk close together. That's okay. Hold the side of the umbrella. Like this? Yes. It is starting to rain. Not very heavily yet. I hope it stays like this. I don't think so. Why? Look at those clouds. They are almost black. Exactly. We should walk faster. Yes, but don't run. Why not? The road is wet. I don't want to slip. Neither do I. This umbrella is small. I know. My shoulder is getting wet. Mine too. At least our heads are dry. That's the important part. I feel a little cold. We will reach the bus stop soon. I hope the bus is not early today. Me too. If we miss it, we will be late. Let's not think about that now. I can't stop thinking. Then think about something happy. Like what? A hot cup of tea after we reach our destination. That sounds wonderful. Or hot coffee. Even better. See, you're smiling now. Yes, thank you. Friends help each other. I'm lucky to have you. And next time, I'll check my umbrella before leaving home. Good answer. No, I'll check everything before leaving home. That's even better. Wait, what happened now? I think the rain is getting heavier. You're right. We should walk a little faster. Come on, the bus stop is just around the corner. Let's hurry. We are almost at the bus stop. That's good. The rain is getting heavier. Hold the umbrella a little higher. Like this? Yes, that's much better. My left shoulder is still getting wet. Mine too. This umbrella is too small for both of us. At least it is helping a little. Yes, without it, we would be completely wet. I'm really sorry. I should have brought my umbrella. Don't worry, everyone forgets something sometimes. I forget too many things. Then today is a good lesson. It certainly is. Look, we have reached the bus stop. Finally. Let's stand under the roof. That's much better. Shake the umbrella before you close it. Good idea. Now the floor won't get too wet. I never think about small things like that. Small habits make a big difference. You're right. The rain is very heavy now. I'm glad we didn't keep walking. Me too. Do you think the bus will come on time? I hope so. Sometimes it is late when it rains. Yes, traffic becomes slow. I hope we don't have to wait too long. Let's check the time. What time is it? It's only 5 minutes before the bus arrives. That's not bad. We can wait. Listen to the rain. It sounds relaxing. I like listening to rain when I'm at home. Me too. But I don't like standing outside in the rain. I completely agree. Look at the road. There is water everywhere. Some people are running. They probably forgot their umbrellas too. Just like me. You're not the only one. That makes me feel a little better. See that little boy? Yes, he is jumping in the puddles. He looks so happy. Children enjoy the rain. Adults usually worry about getting wet. That's true. Maybe we worry too much. Maybe. If we get a little wet, it's not the end of the world. No, but I still don't want wet shoes. I understand. Oh no, what happened? Look at my shoes. They are a little wet. I stepped in a puddle. I'm sorry. It's okay. They will dry later. At least they are not completely soaked. That's true. Thank you for sharing your umbrella with me. You're welcome. If you were not with me today, I would be completely wet. That's what friends are for. Next time, I will carry an extra umbrella. An extra one? Yes, one for me and one just in case. That's a smart idea. Then I can help someone else. That's very kind. I learned it from you. Thank you. Wait, what is it? I hear something. Me too. Is that our bus? I think it is. Yes, I can see it. Great. Finally. Let's stand near the edge. Be careful, the road is slippery. I know. The bus is slowing down. Perfect. We don't have to wait anymore. I'm so happy. Me too. Today has been quite an adventure. And it all started because I forgot my umbrella. Sometimes small mistakes create funny memories. I will remember this day for a long time. I think I will too. Before we leave home next time, we'll check everything. Phone, wallet, keys, umbrella, and maybe a water bottle. Good idea. A small checklist will make life easier. I couldn't agree more. The bus doors are opening. Let's get on. After you. Thank you. You're welcome. I hope the weather is sunny tomorrow. Me too. But if it rains again, I promise I won't forget my umbrella. I'll remind you anyway. Please do. That's what good friends do. Exactly.